Have you heard about those Edison Motors guys?
You know what? I give them all the fucking credit in the world for stepping out there and doing it, and the group that's doing it right on. Like, entrepreneurs, guys that are thinking outside the box, good on ya. Like, really good on ya. There's some doers and thinkers in this world still, and that's enlightening, right? Like, it's just nice. So that part, no problem with. But am I going to do it? Fuck no. You think I'm going to bring an electric truck out to this shit? And no. Like, they're all best case scenario. Like, when that fucking thing breaks down in the middle of butt fuck nowhere, who's gonna fix it? The 10 guys that work at that place, or the 8 guys, or the 6 guys, or however many they got there? No. Like when all our trucks are the same, front to back. And when something goes wrong with those things, like right to the wiring of the headache racks and the auxiliary lighting and shit that we have on, something goes wrong, one of us knows right away where to look, where to go, how to fix it, and the parts are available. No problem. The disc brake thing kind of come into the logging industry a little bit. You know, when people are like, oh, they last longer and blah, and they're easy to do this and then blah, blah, blah. They had some reasons why they were good. And I was like, you know, like those 2 guys, Jordy and Jed, are more truckers than I am. I'm more of a logger than a trucker. And those guys are big into trucks. I kind of just play with it a little bit and follow their leads, to be honest with you. But anyways, I'm like, oh, fuck, why? Like, so Jordy bought a truck and trailer, all disc brakes. And I remember when he did have, like, they were good and they lasted a long time and they worked really, really well. I remember him saying that. But when they fucked those calipers and shit, it's just like $2,500 or $3,000. Maybe that's $5,000 now. I don't know. And he had one truck like that. And then the rest were just the regular brakes. And so I was just like, what do you think, Jed? Like, what? Like, he's got 30 some trucks, logging trucks, and they're all the fucking same. Pretty much all the same. Like Chester and them call them cookie cutters. They're not cookie cutters, they're beautiful trucks. But they're all the same. And he goes, why at this point in my career would I reinvent the wheel? Says these brakes work. We know what they are. We know what goes wrong. We know how to change them. Like, why would I change that? They work for us. And he's right. Like, what's the reason? Like, there's just no enough reason there for us to change. It's not like the brake systems we have now have been on these trucks for 50 years. Why? Like, and he's right. And so then I look at this just for this Edison thing. I'm like, hey, good on those guys. But no, I'm not doing it. I'm good. But I do want an electric car.
Can you call a Hummer a car?
Huh?
You can't really call a Hummer a car.
Can't call a Hummer a car, but I'm getting an electric Hummer.